Hello, my amazing spider friends, and welcome back to yet another educational video teaching you how to weave your part of the World Wide Web. Last time we taught you about the languages and how to set it up so that it looks correct on your document so that it shows up correctly in the live preview. Today, we'll be teaching you how to add images to those things. I already did some prep work. You have to go into and make a file. You have to make a file and add both your HTML and your everything basically all into the same folder so that it all works correctly. And how to add an image is simple. It's a self-closing bracket, and you just do src, and you copy relative path. You do this, paste it in, and you get this huge mumbo jumbo thing. That's my logo. It's gigantic. And that is how you add an image. We'll work on how to shrink it to make it more reasonable size with CSS in the next video. But for now, that's how you add the image, basically. You do need to have markdown images installed. I use markdown sync images for this. But yes, and don't forget to always save your work into the folder just so that nothing can get corrupted or crash on you. It does have a recovery thing, I believe, for such a thing. This is a huge image. Jesus Lord. But that is all I have for the amazing spider friends today. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, or subscribe, and subscribe, in fact, if I taught you anything of use to you today. And don't forget to weave your part of the World Wide Web. See ya!